Beyond the prolific plantation of Sierra Madre mountain ranges lies the magnificent province of Aurora, a place on the east-central side of Luzon. It was created and separated from Quezon Province by the virtue of Batas Pambansa Bilang 7 signed by Ferdinand Marcos on August 30, 1979. And now, we are presenting to you the top 10 reasons why you should go to Aurora.
Go on a food trip with Aurora's most tasted and wanted delicacies.
Suman Baler, a sweet suman, is the most soft delicacy for its perfect texture and affordable price. Empanada de Baler is known for its crunchy bread and yummy filling. Have a taste of Aurora's fresh ginataang yellowfin.
Go with the flow of the waves, brought to you by the surfing capital of Luzon.
Did you know that the film Apocalypse Now is the key why surfing started in the Philippines? This 1979 classical film was so generous to the Filipino people. The whole staff as well as the actors left their surfboard as gift to the local community. It is the main reason why tourists flock to the town. The waves of Baler is ideal to all levels of surfers, from newbie to pro.
It started by its expansive mix by visiting the Millennium Tree.
This century-old tree, situated in Maria Aurora, Quezon, is one of the most famous tourist spots in the entire province of Aurora. The enormous tree stands 200 feet tall. How wide is it? Well, it needs 50 people standing side by side and hand in hand to circle the tree. Because of its massive size, the tree has an opening inside where 10 to 15 people can fit at once. It makes a good spot to take photos and, more importantly, a good spot to marvel at tree's beauty. Local guides can assist you on climbing the old balete tree holding only to roots and branches. It's an extraordinary experience, and you will definitely be surprised on how the tree seems to look like a different world up above with its unique trail that leads to a seemingly new dimension.
Enjoy the natural waterfalls massage at the Gisit Falls.
Feel the pressure of water and enjoy a relaxing natural waterfalls massage in the Gisit Falls. This small waterfalls is easily accessible along the main road going to the Casaralin Cove. The Gisit Falls is made up of 3 small cascades that drop the rocks and boulders. Easy with the trek as the rocks are quite slippery.
Feel the summer heat by doing island hopping.
Baler is not only about Sabang Beach. There are other beaches in this coastal town that are worth visiting. Each has its own unique characteristics that distinguishes each from one another. Sabang Beach is vibrant and active. Cemento Beach is rocky and rough. This Gisit Beach is of course and scenic. And also this Calarin Cove is secluded and mysterious.
Purchase different high-quality handicrafts.
The Pasalubong Center is one-stop shop for your Baler souvenirs. T-shirts, handicrafts, homemade sweet, and delicacies, and woven sabutan products. Sabutan is a pandan-like plant grows in the forest of Baler. The fiber is used in weaving mats, baskets, hats, bags, sleepers, and other products.
Experience extreme adventures by going mountain hiking.
Aurora is a prime spot for mountain climbing and nature trekking activities. With its large forest reserve areas, its vast lowland and foothills, and the presence of the Sierra Madre mountain ranges. The variety of terrain coupled with the abundance of clear streams, waterfalls, and vegetation can make for a trekking experience as unique and challenging as one can plan. Trekkers are advised, however, to consult local officials in the municipalities to ensure that the area is safe beforehand. Kasiguran and Dilasag also have their share of mountaineering attractions.
Catch the Pacific sunrise.
Get up early before Sabang Beach gets busy with the wave riders and catch the attractive sun as it rises up in the east. Baler is a blessed to have an amazing view of Pacific sunrise, and it is truly worth waking up early to catch a glimpse of this natural beauty.
Go. Sight the magnificent view of Baler Bay by trekking the Ermita Hill.
Part of the history trail is Ermita Hill, where visitors can get a good view of Kasiguran Bay. Sabang Beach. In 1735, a huge tsunami hit the area and only few survivors who went up to Ermita Hill were saved from that disaster.
Relive the old times at the downtown by stopping by at Aurora's historical sites.
You can visit Quezon Park, where a statue of President Manuel Quezon comfortably stands sits rather. You'll learn how the former president grew up, and you see the presidential car he used during his term. Within the vicinity of this place is Museo de Baler, where you can find priceless artifacts that showcases province's rich culture and history. You can find Baler Church in front of the Municipal Hall. It is the site siege of Baler during 1890s Philippine Revolution.
What are you waiting for? Choose Philippines and discover Aurora, because you'll never regret going to a place that represents the 1% beauty of the Philippines.